Welcome to Bike World. Today, we're exploring the all-new 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350, a bike that blends timeless design with modern technology. Let's dive into what makes this motorcycle a must-watch for enthusiasts. Design and styling. The 2026 Classic 350 stays true to its retro charm with a vintage-inspired fuel tank, round headlamp, and classic mudguards. However, subtle upgrades like matte paint options, refined alloy wheels, and improved ergonomics give it a modern touch while maintaining that iconic Royal Enfield look. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Classic 350 features a more refined single-cylinder engine with better fuel efficiency and smoother power delivery. It delivers a perfect balance of city riding comfort and highway cruising capability, making it ideal for both new riders and seasoned bikers. Technology and features. Royal Enfield has added a few modern touches, including an updated digital analog instrument cluster, optional Bluetooth connectivity, and dual-channel ABS. These features enhance safety and convenience without compromising the bike's classic character. Comfort and riding experience. The ergonomics remain rider-friendly, with a comfortable seat, upright riding posture, and improved suspension for smoother rides on rough roads. Whether it's daily commuting or long weekend rides, the Classic 350 ensures a relaxed and enjoyable experience. Conclusion. The 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350 perfectly blends heritage styling with subtle modern upgrades. It's a bike that appeals to nostalgia while embracing today's technology. If you're looking for a classic ride with contemporary comfort, this is one to consider.